Class 6. Good morning, everybody. Today, our subject is GK and our chapter 7, Born to Rare. Tiger World. Tiger are the largest member of the cat family. They are known for their strength and power. Let us read to know more about this fierce animal. An adult tiger weighs up to 363 kgs and measures up to 3.3 meters. A tiger has beautiful stripes and it is difficult to spot a tiger in its natural surroundings because the unique orange, black, and white pattern helps it to blend into the forest and grassy areas where it lives and hunts. The average lifespan of a wild tiger to 10 to 15 years, but on rare occasion they have been known to live up to 26 years in the wild. They do not live in permanent groups like lions do. For the most part, they live solitary lives except when females are raising calves. Tigers are generally nocturnal hunters. Their height vision is up to 6 times greater than ours. They have large padded fill that make it easier for them to silently stalk their prey. You can hear a tiger roar up to 2 miles away. Tigers are carnivorous, eating only meat. They mainly feed on large animals such as deer, buffalo, and wild boar. They are powerful swimmers. They often cool off in pools or streams on a hot day. The biggest threat to tigers comes from man. The two main threats faced by tigers are loss of habitat and poaching. Next, choose the correct option. Choose the correct option. First, number A. Baby tigers are called cubs ya kittens. Right answer, cubs. Second, B. Tiger used claws ya tongues for cleaning. Right answer, tongues. Next, number C. The tiger hunting was banned in India in the year 1927 या 1972. Answer, 1972. Next, number D. Siberian या Sumatran is the biggest species of tiger in terms of size. Answer, Siberian. Next, white tigers belongs to the species of Indo-Chinese या Bengal. Right answer, Bengal. Our next chapter, chapter 8. Our next chapter, chapter 8, symbolic plants and birds. Symbolic plants and birds. So, since ancient times, many plants and animals have been considered as symbols, either good or bad. Solve the crossword and learn more about them. So, our first, these birds are considered scared by the natives of American. Answer, eagles. Answer, eagles. Number 2, the branch of this tree is considered to be a symbol of peace. Answer, olive. Answer, olive. Number 3, the leaf of this tree is the national emblem of Canada? Right answer, maple. Right answer, maple. Number 4. These birds are said to predict disease and death. Answer, ravens. Answer, ravens. Number 5. These birds are considered symbols of good luck. Answer, storks. Storks. Number 6. In ancient Rome, the hooting of these birds and dreamed as a warning of death. Answer, owls. Answer, owls. Number 7. These birds are a symbol of love and peace. Answer, doves. Answer, doves. And number 8. These birds found mainly in Asia are adult symbols of long time. Answer, cranes. Cranes. And 9. This tree is scared to the Buddhist. Buddhist. Answer, people. Answer, people. And next, last, the national flower of India. National flower of India, lotus. Okay, thanks.